What is the difference between a licensing agreement and a sponsorship deal? In the fast-paced world of sports and entertainment, understanding the legal agreements that govern these industries is more important than ever. Just yesterday, discussions around licensing agreements and sponsorship deals gained traction as new contracts were announced in major leagues. Many people are searching for clarity on these terms, so let's break it down. A licensing agreement is a contract where one party, known as the licensor, allows another party, called the licensee, to use specific intellectual property. This can include trademarks, logos, or copyrighted material. In sports and entertainment, these agreements often relate to merchandise, trading cards, or media content. The licensee pays royalties or fees to the licensor for the right to utilize this intellectual property. For example, trading card companies frequently enter licensing agreements with sports leagues. This allows them to legally produce cards featuring players and team logos. The terms of these agreements usually cover the scope of use, duration, and quality control measures to ensure brand integrity. On the other hand, a sponsorship deal is a commercial arrangement where a sponsor provides financial support or resources to an event, team, or individual. In return, the sponsor receives promotional benefits. These benefits may include branding opportunities at events, logo placement, and media exposure. Sponsorship deals are common in high-profile events like the MotoGP or music festivals, where sponsors gain visibility through official partnerships. Key legal differences between these two types of agreements are noteworthy. Licensing agreements focus on granting permission to use intellectual property, which protects brand assets. In contrast, sponsorship deals emphasize financial support in exchange for marketing rights. Additionally, licensing contracts often involve royalty payments based on sales or usage, while sponsorship agreements typically consist of fixed fees for marketing rights. Compliance with specific terms is essential in both agreements, but licensing emphasizes intellectual property management, while sponsorship centers on advertising and promotional rights. Understanding these differences is vital for anyone navigating contracts in sports and entertainment. It helps ensure that rights are clearly defined and obligations are met, minimizing the risk of disputes and protecting commercial interests. As the sports and entertainment landscape continues to evolve, being informed about these agreements will empower individuals and organizations to make sound decisions.